Hello everyone, this is Afreen Rahman and here we bring another episode of The Product Today. Now here we chat with all-star product leaders from various tech and non-tech backgrounds, and here we talk about everything from breaking into the industry of product management and setting career goals to collaborating with diverse product leaders and knowing where to find everything that is happening in the world of product management. So basically all things product management gets discussed in Product Today. So today we are going to talk about a very, very interesting, I would say, roles and designations in the field of product management. And we are going to discuss the distinction between product management and product marketing manager. Right, Gaurav? And to do that, we have our in-house expert. We have the head of product management at Mr. Gaurav Verma with us. So welcome, Gaurav, to the show.
Thank you so much, Afreen. And yes, today's topic is another one of the very interesting topics that I am really actually fond of, right? So the difference between a product manager and a product marketing manager.
Yes.
And I think I would be fairly appropriate when I say that I've tasted both of these fields now, right?
Okay.
So I know how they differ,
Oh.
right? And I know how they're similar, right?
All right.
So that is what I'll be bringing in today's video.
Absolutely.
Right.
Looking forward
So-
to understand the differences and the similarities here. Yes, please go.
Yes, absolutely. So let's start with understanding product management and product marketing manager.
Okay.
A product manager and a product marketing manager, but we have to go back to our roots. We have to go where it all started, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, if I tell you, you would be surprised alongside with a lot of our viewers that product management was not always called product management,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So yes, it was the year 1931, if I'm correct, right? So P&G was the first company that actually started product management, and at that time it was called brand management, right?
Okay.
Yes.
Somehow I like that term
Brand man-
more than product management.
Yes.
Not using brand management now. So P&G is
Yes.
Procter and Gamble, right? Okay.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So it was called brand management, and the product manager was called the brand man, right? So now when we hear the terms brand management and brand man, we can very easily associate these terms with marketing,
Absolutely.
right? Right. So now when we've evolved over time, right, we developed from this concept of brand management to the concept of what we know today as product management, right, and product managers. Now, this is one aspect that I specifically want to mention, that there's a very thin line between product management and marketing, right? And if you don't focus on that line, there are high chances that you might cross it, and you won't even know that from when you started with product management and you've reached product marketing or marketing in general, right? So that is a very thin line that we have to be very cautious of when working on products, right? So I've faced this, I've experienced this, right? Because I take a lot of interviews for our product management team. Now, what I've seen is that almost 90% of the candidates are confused, and they forget this line between product management and marketing. So if you ask them that this is a particular product and users are not using this product, what would you do? So 90% of the people suggest that we market it better, we promote it on social media, we'll run this particular campaign, we'll run this particular campaign, right?
Like,
And that is right.
yeah, that sounds like the most obvious choices. Yeah.
Yes, that is right. But what we have to focus here is that all this majorly falls under marketing, right?
Yeah.
Now, if I have to tell you how you will solve this problem in the spectrum of product management, then you'll think how we can add features in this product that would make it more desirable to the user.
Got it.
Right. Now, I'm not saying that marketing is not a part of product management. Marketing is a huge part of product management, and it is important, right? We cannot skip out marketing, but we have to understand that there's a very clear distinction between product management and product marketing, right? Now, if I talk about these two, roles or designations of a product manager and a product marketing manager. Now they have a lot of similarities and they have a lot of differences as well.
Okay.
Now, if I talk about product managers not just have to deal with product marketing, but they also have to deal with product ideation.
Okay.
Right, product research. They have to develop with product development, product engineering, UI, UX.
Yeah.
Measuring the product success, right? What or how is your product performing in relation to your expectations, right?
Yeah.
But as a product marketing manager, your entire focus is on the marketing.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
You will be focusing on the go-to-market strategy for your product, right? You would be understanding how can we launch this product so that it catches the most eyeballs, right?
Got it.
So that is one clear distinction. Now, product marketing would be a part of product management as well. Now, there are some aspects of product management that fall under product marketing as well, right? So in product marketing, you have to do competitor analysis, you have to do market research, you have to understand, you have to do user research as well, right?
Yeah.
These are some aspects of product management as well. In product management, you have to do this, right? In product management, you have to do product marketing, you have to think of a go-to-market strategy, you have to think of sales strategies, post-sale services. Now, these fall under the spectrum of product marketing as well, right? Yeah. Now, you see how this line starts getting thinner, but when you understand the clear distinction between two, you can easily check which side you are on, right? Whether you're on the product management side or whether you're on the product marketing side.
Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So that is what I would say. Now, if I have to tell you that should we keep them apart, then my take would be no. Right? They can be called two sides of the same coin, right? One element or one aspect teaches us how to build better products. The second aspect teaches us how to tell the user about these products in the most efficient way, or how to market these products in the most efficient way and the most effective way, right? No matter how great of a product you build, it will not sell itself at the end of the day, right? Someone has to market it. And no matter how much you market it, if the product has no value, it will eventually die down, right?
Won't be a success.
So these are two sides of the same coin, right? And we cannot separate these two. But it is on to us that we identify the distinction where product management stops and where product marketing starts, and where product marketing starts and product management stops, right? So that is my take on this entire confusion of product manager versus product marketing manager. And I hope I cleared a lot of doubts as well, right?
I know, like you said, it's such a fine demarcation here that you have given.
Yes.
So I'm sure a lot of our viewers have really gotten that kind of clarity that we needed, in both these roles, basically, right? So, well, as usual, very, very informative and very, very insightful insights you've given, Gaurav. Thank you so much. And for all our viewers here present today, if you have, gotten that clarity, and if you think you need a little bit more, let us know in the comment section, or hit the subscribe and the like button if you've liked the video, and if you want to get more updates in terms of episodes from Product Today. We'll definitely have Gaurav present here today for more such insightful discussions here. So thank you, Gaurav, for giving us your time and attention today. And it's been a pleasure as always.
Thank you so much, Afri.
Thank you, Gaurav. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. Take care. Bye.